Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at the HEIWUKONG Ray Mount, designed specifically for the Sonos Ray soundbar. If you're looking for a way to elevate your audio setup and free up space around your TV, this wall mount might just be what you need. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This mount is custom built for the Sonos Ray, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Unlike universal mounts, the HEIWUKONG Ray Mount is crafted to optimize the sound localization of your Ray soundbar, keeping audio crisp and precise while maintaining a clean, professional look in your living room. One of the standout features of this mount is its space-saving design. By mounting your soundbar on the wall, either below or above your TV, you instantly free up desk or console space. This makes it easier to keep your entertainment area organized, while still having easy access to the soundbar's touch controls. Aesthetically, the HEIWUKONG Ray Mount shines with its hidden floating design. Once installed, the mounting hardware is completely concealed behind the soundbar, giving the appearance that your Sonos Ray is effortlessly floating under your TV. This sleek and minimalist setup adds a modern touch to any home entertainment space. Durability and stability are also key features. The mount is built from strong, scratch-resistant metal, offering excellent load-bearing capacity. Once installed, your soundbar won't wobble or sag, ensuring that your audio experience remains uncompromised. Installation is simple and straightforward. You don't need any advanced tools or technical knowledge to mount your soundbar. The design includes grooves for easy cable management and convenient access to all ports, so you can maintain a tidy and professional-looking setup without the hassle. Overall, the HEIWUKONG Ray Mount is a practical and stylish solution for Sonos Ray owners. It provides secure support, enhances your room's aesthetic with its hidden floating design, and keeps your space organized. Whether you're a minimalist or simply want a better viewing and listening experience, this mount is a solid choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're considering upgrading your sound setup, the HEIWUKONG Ray Mount is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product reviews. See you next time.